Hello students, this is part B of our chapter Haloarenes, and in this part we are going to cover preparation of haloarenes. Preparation of haloarenes, which are commonly known as aryl halides. Now, first preparation method is by direct halogenation of aromatic hydrocarbons. So, first method is by direct halogenation of hydrocarbons which are aromatic in nature. So in this reaction, our substrate on which reaction will take place is aromatic hydrocarbon, and our reactant or the reagent is halogen. In this reaction, there is replacement of hydrogen of aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom. Now, taking up example, this is benzene ring, and to all the carbon atoms of the benzene ring, 1 hydrogen atoms are attached. So, the formula of benzene is C6H6. Now, for converting this benzene into aryl halide or haloarene, we have to react this benzene ring with halogen in the presence of iron or iron chloride. The reaction condition is that you have to perform this reaction in dark and at room temperature. Suppose we are performing chlorination. So for chlorination, we have to take chlorine and we have to do this reaction in the presence of either iron or FeCl3, that is iron trichloride. This we have to perform in dark and at room temperature. There are 2 Cl atoms in this chlorine molecule. 1 Cl atom will be substituting out this hydrogen atom of the aromatic ring, and the removed out hydrogen will combine with the second Cl atom forming HCl. So in this reaction, substitution takes place with the help of halogen. That is why the reaction is halogenation. So the product formed after this reaction will be aromatic ring, and to all the sides hydrogen are present except one position to which now halogen Cl is attached, and the removed out H part will combine with second Cl forming HCl. So in this reaction, chlorobenzene is formed. Now covering second example of halogenation. Suppose we are performing bromination this time. So we are going to react benzene ring. This time we are showing only one hydrogen atom which we are going to substitute. Rest of the positions are also satisfied with the hydrogen, but we are showing only the hydrogen which we are going to substitute. This we are going to react with bromine, that is Br2. This reaction takes place in the presence of either iron Fe or Fe Br3. Since you are performing bromination, in place of FeCl3 which is used in chlorination, you have to take FeBr3. This reaction takes place in dark and at room temperature. Again, you are having two Br atoms. One Br will be substituting out hydrogen. So the substituted out hydrogen will combine with second Br forming HBr. And this aromatic ring will combine with this Br forming bromobenzene. So in this reaction, to your aromatic ring, Br group will be attached and there will be removal of hydrogen of the aromatic ring with Br. So the main product formed in this case is bromobenzene. Chloroarenes and bromoarenes. Like chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. These can be easily prepared by direct chlorination and bromination process. You can easily prepare chloroarenes and bromoarenes by direct chlorination and bromination process. So in this case you can perform direct chlorination and bromination. But if you want to form iodoarenes, if you want to form iodoarenes like iodobenzene, in this case, along with iodine, you have to take certain oxidizing agent also. Along with your reactant, hydrocarbon and iodine, you have to take oxidizing agent also. In oxidizing agent, you can take either nitric acid, HNO3, HiO3 or HiO4. Nitric acid you can take, iodic acid you can take, or you can take periodic acid as an oxidizing agent. In this reaction, hydrogen of aromatic hydrocarbon is substituted by I group and there will be formation of iodobenzene, and along with that H and I will combine forming HI. Now in this case, the HI formed as the side product is a strong reducing agent. This is your iodobenzene. And this HI formed in this reaction is strong reducing agent. If you are not using this oxidizing agent in the reaction, in that case it causes reversibility of the reaction. The HI formed in the reaction, because of its reducing nature, reduces aryl iodide formed in the reaction as product back into your reactant, that is aromatic hydrocarbon, and iodine will be liberated out. If you are not going to remove out this HI, it will react with this iodobenzene after formation and again you will obtain your reactants. So reaction will become reversible. So in order to prevent reversibility of the reaction, you have to take oxidizing agent. Now what is the working of oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent removes out this HI from the reaction and prevents the reversibility of the reaction. Now how this HI is removed? This HI reacts with any one oxidizing agent. Suppose you are taking HiO3. So this reducing agent HI will react with HiO3 and there will be formation of iodine and water. For balancing the equation, you have to take 5 moles of this HI reacting with 1 mole of HiO3 and it will give you 3 moles of iodine and 3 moles of water. So in the form of iodine, this HI will be removed out from the reaction and it will prevent the reversibility of this reaction. So whenever you want to prepare iodobenzene or iodoarenes, in that case along with iodine you have to take oxidizing agent. Now fluoroarenes, these are not prepared directly by fluorination process. Fluoroarenes, these are not prepared by direct fluorination process. This is because in case of direct fluorination, the reaction becomes very violent and it is difficult to be controlled. So in order to prepare fluoroarenes, you have to perform alternative methods like Baz-Schimmon reaction.